What is up? This is Car Quickie, the only channel where you can get car news in minutes. Remember to subscribe if you're new around here and drop a like. I want to see 10 likes on this video. And if you haven't noticed by now, we definitely like the new C8 Corvette, and I can tell you guys do as well by the views and the content that you guys are eating up here. So here's another mod that you're going to be able to add to your new C8 Corvette. Thanks to Eikon Motors, you can now get those Lambo Doors on your new Corvette and make it look like that futuristic-y mid-engine supercar that Chevy set out to do with it. And thanks to Eikon Designs, we now have a look at what the Bugatti SUV might look like if they end up making one. Nicknamed the Spartacus, this Bugatti SUV takes a lot from the DNA of the previous vehicles, including the Chiron, and gives us a very sporty, full-carbon look to what an SUV variant might look like. Now, I'm not saying it looks great, but I'm just saying this is something that we might be having to deal with compared to, say, an Urus. And on some last positive news, I want to shout out Rob's channel. He's going to be doing an amazing rebuild on the first wrecked C8 Corvette, so make sure to watch his channel and follow what he's been doing with this and what he will be doing with this, because I'm pretty sure his channel is going to blow up after this, and this is going to be great for him, and it's going to be great to learn from. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and make sure to like the video if you want more videos like this.